Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, January 10, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for January 10, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.